Welcome to the world of Chocoflan, a delightful Mexican dessert that is as magical as it is delicious. Imagine a rich chocolate cake topped with a creamy flan, all baked together in harmony. The real magic happens in the oven, where the layers mystically flip, the flan rising to the top, the cake settling at the bottom. This enchanting transformation is what gives Chocoflan its alternate name, the impossible cake. So, strap in for a culinary adventure as we dive into the process of creating this tantalizing dessert. Before we start, ensure you have all the necessary ingredients for both the chocolate cake layer and the flan layer. For the cake, you'll need a box of chocolate cake mix and the ingredients listed on the box. If you prefer, you can choose to use your favorite homemade chocolate cake batter. For the flan, gather a can each of sweetened condensed milk and evaporated milk, 4 eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget a half cup of caramel sauce, a bundt cake pan, and aluminum foil. With all these ingredients ready, we are set to start the baking process. Now let's set the stage for our Chocoflan by preparing the cake and flan layers. First, let's tackle the chocolate cake. Follow the instructions for your chosen chocolate cake mix or homemade recipe. Once your batter is ready, pour it over the caramel-coated base of your bundt pan. It's like creating a chocolate sea over a caramel beach. Next, we're moving on to the flan. Combine your sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, eggs, and a splash of vanilla extract into a blender. Blend until you have a smooth, creamy mixture. This is going to add that luxurious flan layer to our cake. Now, it's time for the magic. Slowly and gently pour your flan mixture over the chocolate batter. It might look like a bit of a mess right now, and you might be thinking, this can't be right, but trust me, it is. Remember, it's okay if the layers mix a bit. They'll separate magically during baking. The final steps are baking, cooling, and the exciting reveal. Once you've covered your bundt pan tightly with aluminum foil, nestle it into a larger roasting pan. Fill the roasting pan with about an inch of hot water. This creates a gentle and even cooking environment for your flan, known as a bain-marie or water bath. Slide everything into your preheated oven and let it bake for roughly 60 to 75 minutes. You'll know it's ready when a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Carefully remove your bundt pan from the water bath and let it cool completely. After cooling, pop it into the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or better yet, overnight. This allows the flan to fully set. When you're ready to serve, run a knife around the edges of the cake to loosen it. Flip the pan onto a large plate and gently lift it to reveal your beautiful Chocoflan. And there you have it, a creamy, chocolatey, caramel-covered masterpiece. Enjoy your homemade Chocoflan.